Good afternoon. Happy Friday. This is Sean LaBelle of the Decker Hewitt Group. Apologies as we didn't have a Market Watch Weekly for the last few weeks. That said, we are back in the full swing of things. And it seems the market did not miss a step here the last 4 weeks or so, with all three major benchmarks hitting an all-time high here today. In terms of where we are in the market right now, we're actually into month 10 without seeing a 5 to 10% correction. As we've written to a lot in our recent editions, it's pretty normal and healthy for a market to see a temporary pause, a bit of a self-correction phase. So again, we're into month 10 at this point. You've got to go back to September, October, right in that election time frame before we saw the last correction. And just from a historical reference, the last time we had a period that lasted roughly this long was actually during the Trump election period back into 2016. It did run 20 successive months there without a 5 to 10% correction. So not to say you expect one here any day or anything like that. These things can last a lot longer than anyone anticipates. But we do just encourage investors to take stock of that, trim a little bit of profits, rotate from maybe growth to quality. So in terms of this week's Market Watch Weekly, discusses that a little bit, but more so the focus is on the Jackson Hole Symposium, which is taking place currently this weekend. This week's Market Watch Weekly just runs through some of the commentary that you're seeing coming out of that. More specifically, it focuses quite heavily on Jerome Powell's commentary surrounding the upcoming or potential upcoming tapering. So he threaded the needle quite well in his commentary today. Markets reacted quite favorably and are actually rallying after he spoke. He's referencing perhaps December or Q4 of this year before we see some asset purchases being taken off the table. So again, a bit of added commentary on that and what exactly that is in this week's Market Watch Weekly. So we encourage you guys all to take a read. Hope everyone enjoys the weekend, and we will see you again next week. Cheers.